Hello everybody, this is Juan from Novecel. Today we're gonna make a video to explain to you guys how we replace replace the glass for iPhone 16 Pro. We're supposed to replace the broken glass for 16 Pro, but this one is a scratched one. You know, because our clients, they also ask us to replace the scratched glass as well. Because sometimes you have a phone which is like grade B or grade C, so you have to replace the glass to put the phone back to grade A. So this is what our clients ask us to do, to replace the scratched screen, the glass. We're gonna using the glass from our from Novecel, from our company. So put this screen back to the original status. So firstly, what we're gonna do, we're gonna be using the laser machine to burn a little bit, to burn the whole screen. So in case you can later you can take off the glass easily. You can take off the glass easily. But this one is gonna be, the 16 Pro, the whole process, what we're gonna be doing is gonna be a little bit different. Why? Because we won't take off the frame. So the frame, we're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep the original frame. We're only gonna take off the glass. Take off the glass, then we clean the glue. We put the glass, we laminate the glass, and we put into the bubble removal machine. Then we're gonna use a glue. We're gonna use a glue to put on those gaps. So make it back to the original status. So this is the whole process we're gonna be doing, or we're gonna be showing in this whole video. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now we're gonna be using the laser machine to burn the screen a little bit. So we put on the hot plate for like maybe 10 to 15 seconds before we separate the glass. Okay, here we go. So now we're gonna separate the glass. So it's very easy and very fast. So now we're gonna remove the glue on the screen. We're gonna put it closer. Make it closer. Let you guys see this clearly. Okay, now let's clean the screen. Okay, now okay, now we laminate the screen. So this is the machine we're using. Okay, now let's take it out. Let's check. So this is how it looks after the lamination. Let's check it here. The temperature is 45 degrees, 20 seconds of vacuum time. Let's check the screen. Okay, now let's put it into the bubble removing machine. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Let's check out how it looks. How's the result? Can you take it up here? Here, okay. So this is how the screen looks like. Okay, now next step. Here we go. Let's put into the UV machine. So the time we're setting is like 300 seconds. So after 300 seconds, you can take it out. So now let's put some glue. Now let's test the screen. We're using the 16 Pro Max tester for the 16 Pro, so it's gonna be a little bit different. Okay, take off the film. Yeah. Clean a little bit, yeah. It's okay, it's okay. I know it's okay, because just make sure the attach everything works, that's it. He's explained to me, because it's kind of weird, because this motherboard is for 16 Pro Max. This one is currently 16 Pro. But I'm only asking him to make sure the touch is okay, no bubbles, and everything is perfect, that's okay. Okay, thank you guys. This is the whole process. This is about the screen, the whole process. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or let us know. Okay, see you next time. Bye.